That's been heard.
Got the gun. They say numbers don't lie, bitch. I'm not the one. Hammers in your face. This is not a dream. And you getting every page of this magazine. Bumping your GK. Talking about a murder. We roll a Dr. J and then we like that Julius Herbert. I got pussy on the way and pussy on the way out. Life is a beach and these hoes trying to lay out. Tunchi told the Toolie, fuck around and pop ya. My homies got that white girl, call it Lady Gaga. Glock 14, Nina Colada. Suck, swallow, semen, saliva. I ain't going at your collar. Fuck you hoe niggas. Weezy go hard, you bitches go figure. Diamonds in my teeth like I'm a fucking dope dealer. You're a dead man walking Michael Jackson thriller. I'm in one big room full of bad bitches, yeah. Full of bad looking like a platinum plaque. We don't back extra clips, we back extra gats. And all my hoes dirty like welcome mats. Till the wheels fall off, I can fix the flat. If you're scared, go to church and get a scripture tag. Guns the size of children, now don't be childish. Be with wild ass niggas, and I am the wildest, I'm a motherfucker. Call me Weezy, baby. And on the end of the barrel, I got a sweet potato. My life is a movie, I gotta lead it later. My rooftop drop back like Tom Brady. I got the world in my hands, skateboard in my vans, and all my boys stay strapped like we live in Iran. I know what I can do, so bitch I do what I can. Drop that sorry for the way, man. I'm just saying, I'm in one big room full of bad bitches, yeah.
Come fuck with it. Come fuck with it. $6 right there. That ain't shit. A nigga loses his life for that though, and that shit is nothing. $6. A motherfucker lose their life for that. Motherfucker come kill you for this little punk shit right here. You know that shit. You invest it. You put it out. You put it out. You fuck everything else around you. Put it up.
I only spent on Moto. America's social casino.
You can put up.
Moto Casino, hands
you
down,
can put it up. You can.
VIP
You can throw it up. Do what you want to do with it. It's yours. But at the end of the day, I always remember one thing though. You always gonna have somebody in your motherfucking ear or somebody trying to put the downgrade or hold you down and pull you back or say, "That motherfucker owed me." Shut the fuck up. You owe yourself. If a motherfucker owe you, still around trying to motherfucker owe you, you owe yourself. Real shit. Keep motherfucking going.
And last time was awesome.